everybody, welcome back to the channel. Tonight we are making a timeless classic chocolate chip cookies. We are not using the Toll House recipe. We're going to try out a different recipe. A little more brown sugar, a little baking powder, see if we don't change up the consistency a little bit for some fun. So let's give it a shot and see how these turn out. To make these chocolate chip cookies, you will need 2 1/4 cup all-purpose flour, a half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of baking powder, 1 cup or 2 sticks of butter, a half a cup of sugar, 1 cup brown sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 2 eggs, and 1 bag of chocolate chips. As we love to do with cookies, the first thing we're going to do is combine all of our dry ingredients together. And the purpose for this is just to make it easier to incorporate them into our wet ingredients if they're already combined. Our dry ingredients have been combined, and now we're going to move on to our wet ingredients. Put that to the side. Okay, I'm going to pull out my mixing bowl, and I'm going to put 2 sticks of butter in here. Ooh, and this is room temperature, and as you can see, it's warm in my apartment. To this, I'm going to add my white sugar and my brown sugar. And we're going to put this on the stand mixer and get it going. Going to turn this on and cream the butter and sugars together. That is well creamed. We're going to give it a scrape and make sure that everything is well incorporated. Let this go a little bit longer. Creamed our butter and our sugars. I'm going to add our eggs and vanilla. I have beaten the eggs and thrown the vanilla in there just so I could add it all at once. Okay. Now we're going to mix this until it's thoroughly combined, and it doesn't hurt to stop and scrape it if need be. That's exactly what I'm gonna do. Okay, so now we've got a nice smooth mixture there, which I'm gonna start adding our dry ingredients to. And I'm gonna just mix this in until incorporated. Okay, we're gonna scrape this, give it one more mix, and then we're going to stop it and fold in our chocolate chips by hand. Now we're just going to fold in the chocolate chips. There it is, our chocolate chip cookie dough. And now we're going to wrap this in saran wrap and put it in the fridge. Okay. So we're going to preheat our oven to 375, and then we're going to get our cookies in there after we get them scooped out. Alright, so we've got our parchment paper down on our tray, our cookie tray, and we are going to scoop out our chocolate chip cookies. And we're going to do this while Mr. Draco meows for us. I don't know why he's meowing for us, but there it is.
Ta-da!
Chocolate chip cookies.
Presented by
Okay, and so we are checking out texture and consistency with this because this recipe is a little different. It's not the regular Toll House. The brown sugar has been increased, and we have added baking powder. And since it seems like our baking soda is dying, it's probably a really good thing that we added that baking powder.
crunchy.
Isn't that interesting? I wonder why that is.
I mean, for
I would have expected it to be more chewy.
for a freshly baked cookie, it's got a lot of snap to it. Not
This video comes with a word of warning. Always, always make sure you know the health of your leavening agents, because baking soda, baking powder can die. And then they don't lift anymore. And sometimes they take on a funny aftertaste that autistic babies can taste, and they will tell you your cookies are disgusting and you will be sad. But most people can't taste it.
how do I know if my leavening agent is dead?
If you make a cookie and it doesn't rise, your leavening agent is dead.
It's got the chew in the middle, but it's a little dry and snappy on the outside.
It's more like this. If you bought your baking soda more than a year ago, you probably need new baking soda. Yeah, like I honestly, when I made these, I couldn't remember how old the baking soda was. So it could have been probably close to 2 years old.
But it's still a delicious cookie.
It is still a delicious cookie.
If you took these at a party and threw them at somebody, they might be angry that you threw them, but they'll still enjoy them afterwards.
These are a really good cookie. Like I said, only my really sensory sensitive people notice. That's it for this episode.
Thanks for joining us.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed what you saw and would like to see more content like this, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know when I have uploaded again. And from all of us at the channel, take care, be safe, and...
This is my friend. His name is Draco, and he's a big old ball, but he has no tail.